Where there is tea, there is hope. Arthur Wing Pinero. Hey tea lovers! Welcome back to Mensana in Corpore Sono. If you're passionate about herbal teas like I am, you're in for a treat today. We will continue our journey from the previous video, where we learned what is actually herbal tea, where it came from and who is drinking it the most. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about storing, stabilizing, and extracting the perfect flavors from your favorite herbal teas. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or just starting your herbal journey, stick around because I'm going to share some essential tips to ensure your teas are always fresh and flavorful. So, grab your favorite cup, sit back, and let's get steeping. Herbal teas can be made from various parts of the plant, each offering unique flavors and health benefits. Here's a breakdown of the different parts of herbs that can be used to make herbal teas. Leaves like peppermint, lemon balm, rooibos, and lemongrass are often aromatic and contain essential oils that are easily released during infusion. They typically require shorter steeping times. Flowers like chamomile, lavender, elder, and linden generally have a delicate flavor and aroma. They are best steeped for shorter periods to preserve their fragrant qualities. Roots like ginger, dandelion, valerian, and licorice often have robust, earthy flavors and are rich in active compounds. They usually need to be decocted, simmered, to extract their full benefits. Barks like cinnamon and willow tend to be tough and fibrous, containing potent compounds. It requires a longer simmering process to release its flavors and benefits. Seeds like cardamom, caraway, anise, and sweet fennel are packed with oils and can provide strong, distinct flavors. They can be lightly crushed before steeping to enhance the release of their essential oils. Fruits like rosehip, dried apple, cranberry, and elderberry add a sweet or tangy flavor to teas and are often rich in vitamins. They can be used fresh or dried and usually require a slightly longer steeping time. Aerial parts of the herbs like stems, stalks, leaves, and flowers can be used, especially if they contain aromatic compounds. They are usually less potent than roots but can still contribute to the flavor and health benefits of the tea. Many herbal teas are made from a blend of different parts of the plant to balance flavors and enhance health benefits. For instance, a blend might include leaves for aroma, roots for medicinal properties, and flowers for a pleasant taste. Extracting the best flavors and health benefits from herbal teas involves various methods, each suited to different types of herbs and desired results. Here's an overview of the most common methods of extraction. An infusion involves pouring hot water over plant materials and letting them steep for a certain period, allowing the water to absorb the plant's essential oils, flavors, and nutrients. After steeping, the plant materials are usually strained out, leaving behind a liquid that contains the desired properties of the herb. A decoction is a method of extraction used to obtain the water-soluble compounds from tougher plant materials such as roots, bark, seeds, and stems. This process involves boiling the plant materials in water for an extended period to break down their structure and release the active ingredients. Decoctions are commonly used in herbal medicine and traditional remedies. A cold infusion or maceration involves steeping herbs in cold or room temperature water for several hours to slowly extract their flavors and nutrients. This process can take anywhere from 6 to 12 hours or longer, depending on the desired strength and type of herbs used. The result is a subtly flavored, aromatic beverage. This technique is particularly gentle, preserving the delicate flavors and volatile compounds that might be lost or altered by heat. How to store herbal teas. Keep away from light because direct sunlight can degrade the quality of the herbs. In order to preserve the quality of herbal teas, temperature is another important parameter. According to a rule formulated by Van T. Horff in 1884, a temperature increase of 10 degrees Celsius causes a doubling of the reaction rate. That means that changes in the drug constituents can be also accelerated by heat. The content of volatile constituents diminishes more rapidly with increasing temperatures. Elevated humidity has two disadvantageous effects on the stability of herbal teas. It induces the activities of certain enzymes that degrade drug constituents and it increases the risk of microbial growth. It is therefore advised to store the herbal teas in as cool environments as possible, dark and dry places where the relative humidity is below 60%. The debate between loose-leaf tea and tea bag centers around flavor, aroma, and convenience. Loose-leaf teas offer a more authentic and nuanced tea experience, allowing the leaves to fully expand and release their full spectrum of flavors. Tea bags, while more convenient, can sometimes limit the infusion, affecting the tea's depth and character. The choice between the two often depends on personal preference and the desired tea experience. Watch our videos for some more interesting facts about herbal teas and don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and drink herbal tea.